Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Shubham. I'm a photographer and cinematographer based in India. And in this video, I'm going to unbox and review the Redgear Shadow Blade mechanical keyboard. So let's get started. Okay, so the specifications written on the box is it comes with dual shot keys, it has a metal body, it has 22 spectrum modes, it comes with detachable wrist rest, and also we have the anti-ghost media and the window lock feature available as well. So let's get right into the box and let's see what's inside there. So when you open up the box, inside it you will find the keyboard itself. Then you have the wrist rest. You have the Redgear sticker, which I have already applied on the wrist rest. And then the last thing is the keycap remover. Now talking about the physical overview of this keyboard, it is completely metallic on top. Then you have the wrist rest made of plastic, and the back of the keyboard is also made of plastic. It weighs around 1.3 kilograms, which is slightly on the heavier side, but it feels good. On the back of the keyboard, you do have the stands to give it a little bit of elevation if you want. You have the stoppers on the edges as well. Then if we talk about the wrist rest, it's very easy to attach. You just have to line it up with the keyboard and push it a little bit towards the inner side to connect it. Now if you talk about the wiring on this keyboard, it is braided cable, which is kinda expected. The keys are actually very well elevated. It is very well spaced as well, so you don't have any kind of mix up when you are going to type on. And also the RGB is beautifully done on this keyboard. Now let's talk about the keycaps. They are really good. To remove the keycaps, you just have to line up the keycap remover and apply a little bit force to get it out. And if we see the keycaps closely, you can see these keycaps are dual shot keys, which means the impression, lettering, numbers on these keys are not like written, but there are two different layers of plastic infused into each other to make these keys. So these keys are going to last for a long time. So the keys are actually clicky blue switches. So blue switches are actually known for creating the satisfactory mechanical keyboard sound. So yes, it does have that mechanical satisfactory sound. Okay, let me do a small sound test. Hear the sound. Now the best thing about these keys is that you don't have to apply a lot of force. You just apply a little bit of force and you can hear the clicky sound. And as soon as you hear the click, it registers your key on your PC. So you don't have to go all the way down. So with a little bit of practice, you will be able to master this and you will be able to type a lot more faster. So this is one of the specialities of blue keys. Now one of the main feature of this board is this, the media control knob. So this media control knob, it comes with a 360-degree rotation. You increase or decrease it according to your need, and you will have the volume going up and down according to the rotation. Now let's talk about the RGB. This keyboard actually comes in with 22 different RGB modes or spectrum modes. You can change it by the function key and scroll lock key pressed same time. So let me show you all the RGB modes. Okay, so this is all for today's video, and I think this is the best budget mechanical keyboard available in the Indian market right now with this price point. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below, and also follow me on Instagram. All the links are given in the description. So see you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.